Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos at home in microwave-only way. Layer chips on a microwave-safe plate, add a light scatter of shredded cheese, and microwave in short bursts. Watch carefully between bursts to avoid burning. Once cheese melts, remove and add fresh toppings like salsa, jalapenos, and chopped cilantro. Serve immediately so chips stay crisp and enjoy a quick, satisfying snack with minimal cleanup. For best results, pick cheeses that melt smoothly and combine flavors for balance. Heat in 20 to 30-second intervals, checking the plate so cheese melts without burning. If chips get too hot, let them rest briefly. Residual heat keeps cheese gooey. Avoid piling too many chips so heat reaches all pieces. Finish with fresh, cold toppings to add contrast, and serve immediately for maximum crunch and flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated on snack runs with the Owala water bottle, which fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold during busy cooking sessions. It also has a leak-proof spout that makes hands-free sipping easy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Think about contrasts: hot melted cheese and warm toppings paired with cool, crisp finishes. Try proteins like seasoned ground beef or beans to make nachos a meal. Bright additions such as pico de gallo or diced tomatoes cut through richness. Creamy elements like guacamole or crema add smoothness while jalapenos bring heat. Build layers thoughtfully so each bite has crunch, gooey cheese, and a fresh burst of flavor that keeps you coming back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.